guys, now I'm showing my gun. First, I need to press this thing. Okay guys, this is my skins, and I will show you. First, this is my gun. Last time gun before I just download COD. And this is my favorite, not my favorite gun. I'm not using this gun, and I buy this last time. And this is my favorite last time. And this is my old old gun. And I buy this, and I buy this, and buy this, and I buy this too. Okay guys, snipers is my favorite gun. Another. Guys, I'm eating burger, and this is my favorite. This is not my favorite. This is not my favorite. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. And this is all. This one is not my favorite. This is not my favorite. That's my favorite guy. And here not. And look my guns. Good look. One look. Reb skins sometimes. I will show you my bug before we're done. Now we going to game before we're done. Not BR. Yesterday, bukas na lang, we will play BR and my ate. And here. I want to buy this gun. Okay guys, look at my bag. Look what I have. This is all the old, this too is the new. Look at my bags. I have all the bags, it's so cool. And I can buy this. And now guys, my knife. I have skins, and I like only new skins and guns. And this is BR. Guys, before I win this competition, before I win the game, you need to subscribe me before I win. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, smash that like button. Before you win, I will lose. I win, I will search you to my adding, and you can see me in voice. And bukas na lang. I'm eating my burger. Bye! Bukas na lang.